Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to download Snaptube APK on your mobile. Now let's get started. A Snaptube APK is a site that allow you to download any video and any music freely onto your local disk. So what you need to do is just go to your Chrome browser and search for Snaptube APK download. This is it. Just click on send. Once you click on send, it's going to take you here. What you need to do is you're going to look for the one that is Snaptube. That is Snaptube. You can see the Snaptube APK. Just look at it very well and click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to here. You can see download Snaptube. Just click on download Snaptube. But I'm not going to download it now because I've already downloaded it on my phone. So what you need to do is just click on download Snaptube. Once you click on it, it's going to start downloading, and once you start downloading, just go there. Just let me show you how it is. You can see download Snaptube. Once you click on download Snaptube, you can see you just have to click on download anywhere. Once you click on download anywhere, just wait for it to download and open it, and that is how you'll be able to open it and install on your phone and use it to watch to download any video and any music. And you can also convert your videos to your mp3. It's very easy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.